This is my second set of chains. These are brand new. Hope they're all there. I gotta get this all laid out like this. This red end toward the tire. This with these facing down. This red part to the back of the tire. Take all this. It's gotta go to the other. Gotta go to the other side. Red end feed through. Pull all this stuff to this side. Tuck that in. Keep everything straight here. Let's get this other end straightened out. So we gotta grab this end, connect it to this end. We gotta connect these two things on the back of the tire. You can pull them forward. See right there and hook them. Get all that blue cable in the back of the tire. Flip this up, pull this out, hook it to this aqua hook right here. Now we can hook up the bottom. Pull this part out, flip that down, pull that out, and you hook the red hook to this part like that. If you're having trouble getting enough length to get the bottom connected, try the sawing motion to get more of the length you need. Then just flip this. Do the same thing to the top. There you go. And there you have it. You got your chain on.